It is Friday, and it's about 8:15, maybe 8:30. It's starting to get dark. It's darker than it looks probably in the footage. But the people are getting ready for the night trails. This guy's trying to move a car. These guys are all waiting to be told what to do. The night action is going to get underway. And they're going to make a new course or the same course. Are you making a new night course, or are you just getting a night trail leader to guide them?
Night course, yeah.
But well,
what is it? They light up the night.
No, it's
Pitbull RC.
Under Paul's moon.
Under Paul's moon.
Paul had this idea for a full moon crawl, and we're gonna call it Paul's Full Moon Crawl. No innuendos. Randall's been giving people rides in that thing. If you're a VIP, you can hop in shotgun and he'll go hot lap you. You guys remember Tom? Tom flies drones and he crashed his drone. So a pro tip, always DVR in your goggles so that in case you're not aware of your surroundings, like it's not your local fly spot and you recognize the crash, you can watch the DVR and get an idea of where you are. Okay. And we're gonna take the side-by-side and do quadcopter recovery. It's gonna be awesome. So we got a rough location. There was a landmark in the form of a Y in the road that looks like he went down on the right side next to some rocks that go in an upward fashion. And I know that sounds ridiculous because all the rocks go up. That's not true. Some of them go down. So we're hoping that we got it. But look at these ranges that are out here. You got a hillside, hillside, hillside. It rolls like way back over there. There's like 2 more little valleys. Tom's reviewing.
I've got video.
Oh, we're getting closer.
I hear the beep.
I thought I did too.
Yep, I do. It's up in that area somewhere.
I hear it. I hear it. Turn the engine off. I hear it. Oh, it's getting louder. Oh, it's right there. Oh God, I can't get to it. I think in those bushes.
I can't believe the battery's still playing.
Right.
Good old Project 399 strap.
Yeah. Project 399 strap with the Kevlar stitching for the win. Quadcopter recovery in the middle of Axialfest is not something I expected. Yeah, you got it. Hell yeah.
It's perfectly fine.
It's not. Did it land in the bushes?
Yeah, upside down in the bushes.
Nice. Unplug it quick.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
Quadcopter recovery complete. DVR for the win. Oh, that's great.
I looked into my goggles and was like, wait a minute.
Like he powered on his goggles, yeah, and he had signal. Like, oh, we're right here, dude. We got to be within like 100 yards. That was great. You know, all things considered, that was one of the best quadcopter recoveries yet. Because like we're far.
Yeah.
Like we're super far away.
A mile and a half away.
Yeah. Like that's impressive. You see those guys right there at the top and all those guys over there? They're all trail jams. I call it trail clog. Hi everybody! Ooh, ooh! Nothing, dude. This is California Axialfest. Give me an ooh back. Ooh, ooh! Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, dude. Indiana made more oohs than you did. Ooh, ooh! Look at Richard, is just shaking his head in disapproval. I'd rather be lucky than good anyway. So it's like, what time is it? It's 10 something, and everybody has pizza at Axialfest. Why? Because the Horizon and Axialfest guys had pizza. Andrew Ziegler himself and Mr. Richard Trujillo bringing you hot pizza to the zone. And these guys are coming. You guys want some pizza?
Anybody want pizza? Pizza?
It's good for your cardio.
Meat lovers. It's good.
Yeah, dude. Pizza it up. Trail pizza? That's great. We're going night scaling. This there's gonna be no footage of the night scaling, but we're doing it. It's like 10 something and we're getting on trail. It's a good time. It's a good group. I was talking to some dude and then we're walking uphill and I don't like it. There's people coming down the hill. They don't know where to go either. We're in the same boat. If you want to go, keep going down, it ends. Oh, this guy's carrying his truck back there. So many flashlights.
There's a lot of people back there.
The rock race area?
We're gonna go to the slab.
From up here? That's some Axialfest right there. That's what I'm talking about. V-wedges for days. Not too much. Way. Woo! My truck broke like a half an hour ago, probably, and I've been carrying on my backpack. Because I broke a spur gear again. Because I don't learn. And we decided we get to the end of that trail with C and lines up with D. And from the map, it looked like the only way to get out of there was to do like 3 more trails, which none of us wanted to do. It's late. So we decided to.
This is an animal trail.
It's a ditch. So we ended up trying to bushwhack a little bit, and I feel like they stopped and we kept going. So now we're in the woods. It's pretty cool. It's not helpful.
Well, we found a way.
There's like a ditch. We'll check it out. Hold on, we got walkie-talkies. I think it's pretty funny we're yelling at each other when we get walkie-talkies, but if you go all the way down to the bottom, there's like a ditch or some shit, and we're going towards the moon.
We are made a decision. We are going to head back the way we came in. You bastards! Oh, yeah, we found the trail. Found it? Over 10-4.
Yeah, go ahead and go back the way you came is what he meant to say, but we found something. I don't know if it's a trail. This is not an RC logo, bro. This is the cross-country race from some other.
Okay, well,
but hold on. Wait, I see trail markers.
Yeah, cross-country race will take you to the RC trail.
Is this the same place we just came through? So all we did was cut down the side of the mountain instead of going back the way we came, and we're back at like gate 26. So yeah, whichever way you go, you're gonna end up down by 25 or 26, I think. Yeah, we're down here, bros.
That's a
That
looks like a drop, my friend.
So we bushwhacked for a bit, and then we ended up back down halfway through the course, which is not as terrible as it could have been. And these guys are doing mega traverse down the side hill.
They'll be down in about 10 minutes.
Or more. Yeah, it's us! Ooh, and we made it back to the bottom of the hill right as this guy's batteries died.
Right.
Perfect timing. Don't run over my beer.
I saw your beer.
But we made it down in fantastic style and fashion. Now we're back to the fire roads for more fire road things. So it's 11:45. We just got back from our trail our night crawling that we did. My truck broke a spur gear again, oddly enough. But what I thought was great was there's dudes going out to right now. 11:45, they're heading out on the trail. So that's some Axialfest for you. But it is late night. Vendor row shut down. We're about to go have a good time. Give me one. Give me one. There we go. It's Sunday. It's like 6:30-ish, maybe 6 in the morning. There's wildfires going on, so everything is super socked in. Maybe worse than it was yesterday. But this is Sunday morning, Axialfest teardown time. I had a wonderful weekend. I want to say thanks to the wonderful people of the Donner Ski Ranch as well as Horizon Hobby
for giving us a cool place to do something for a few days. That's it. I gotta jam all of this into the cube. Yeah.